What if I told you you can use AI on your computer without internet, without login, and without paying anything? And it will actually talk back to you inside your terminal. Don't believe me? Let me talk with you. So I will just say, let's start with something very simple. Let's say, AI, say hello to me. See its response. Let's say, AI, tell me a joke. That made me laugh. Okay, so there is no catch. This will tell you everything except the current event that is going on live, because this is a local terminal AI on your computer, which will run without any internet, without any payment, without any subscription. So let's get on with it. I will tell you how to create your own personal AI assistant without any subscription or any payment or any weekly, any other side packs. So let's start with it. First, you want to have is a local setup of Linux machine. So I have a Linux box. So I will go ahead and I will use Llama. So what is Llama? Llama is a large language model by Meta AI. It is a family of open source high performance LLM developed by Meta, ranging from 1B to 400B plus parameters. It is widely used to build AI agents, power images, text, and power applications, and it serves as a free open source model. So let's see how we can download Llama. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna use an install script given to me by Google. So I'm just gonna do curl-f-ssl https llama.com install.sh pipe sh. Now it's gonna ask me for my sudo password, which you should have if you're the admin of your laptop, and once it's done, it's installing Llama. This might take a few minutes, so we'll be back. Okay, so this has installed Llama successfully. It says install complete, run Llama from command line. This tells you that the AI system is locally installed. What's the next step? Now we are going to download the AI model. The AI model that I'm going to be using is Llama 3.2. So how to download that is Llama run Llama 3.2. And let's see. It says send a message. This is just like downloading the AI brain to the computer. Okay, so I'll do say hello, and it says hello back. That means it actually works. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some specific magic so that we don't have to just be in this prompt forever. Okay, so how I want to use AI is just use AI and then my statement, whatever I want to ask the AI. But currently what we have to use is we have to do this whole write-up for the Llama. You have to do Llama run Llama 3.2 and then say hello, right? I don't want to use all that. I just want to do AI say hello. So we're going to fix that. What we have to do for that is you have to go to a bash RC, which is, if you are a Linux person, if you studied a little bit of coding, you would know that all the computer's functionality is in this file. It's a hidden file, so it's called .bash RC. So let me go in that, and you need to use sudo. Sudo is supercomputer access. So once you do that, you go down and then you just put this AI Llama run Llama 3.2 $. This tells that Instead of using Olama run llama 3.2, we will just use AI, and the computer will know that he has to run the whole command when the AI, that two letters are being given to the computer as a command. So instead of Olama run llama 3.2, I'm going to use AI and then my question, and it should work. So how do you know that this would work? You just need to source the file dot slash dot bash take it source. Okay, now I'm gonna do AI say hello, and it says hello back, so it works. Now this is for kids who don't want to write the whole command, which is also a little bit tiresome. I don't need to write the whole long commands anymore. So we can do anything with this AI except for the current events, which is understandable because it doesn't run on internet, so it doesn't have access to the live events that's going on. So let's see if it can actually do a roast. I'll say, hey AI, roast programmers, and let's see what it gives me. The lovely word of programming. Here are some lighthearted roasts for programmers. I love how programmers spend the first 6 months of a project learning the language and the other 18 months debugging their own code. I've done that. I actually, before doing this Llama installation, two whole hours I had to debug the whole computer codes because my computer wasn't taking Llama 3.2 as the model, and I had to debug that for 2 hours. So I agree with this joke, and these jokes are meant to be lighthearted and playful and not hurt any people. Okay, I kind of regret giving my AI a personality, but whatever. So basically I built a ChatGPT, but it lives inside my computer. I don't have to pay any subscription. For ChatGPT, it kind of runs out every end of the day by saying that you need to buy more subscription. This does not have that problem. I can ask him innumerable questions and it would not run out on me. So as I said, the only problem is that it doesn't have live events. Okay, so you just made your own first AI, and I hope you learned something new, and I did too. So like, share, and subscribe.